morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I am Ade Sutedi from the Garut Institute of Technology. First of all, I would like to thank you for attending our research presentation entitled Smart Food Sensor Network with FEI for Real-Time Data Alert and Alert. We start with introduction. We know fluid weather caused by natural event or human factors that can lead to consequences such as loss of life, environmental damage, financial loss, and psychological impact. The fluid result from heavy rainfall or inadequate drainage system or etc., which is the destructive effect of flood such as home and infrastructure damage. It highlights the urgent need for effective flood mitigation and response strategies. So, in this research, the development of advanced technologies like Internet of Things or IoT system can support disaster management. The IoT enable real-time data collection and monitoring, providing early warning of rising water level and allowing for swift action to protect lives and property. With integration of components like ultrasonic sensors, microcontroller, and GSM modules as an early warning system that effectively inform to communities and helping them take necessary preventive measures in the face of imminent flood threats. So this research aims to design an IoT-based flood early warning system that detects water or flood present using a GSM module to communicate the sensor module and then send to the data server. After that, the data can be accessed using REST API technologies, and we can sharing across various platforms such as SMS, Telegram, and WhatsApp, or etc. In this research, we use prototyping method as an early version of the system to demonstrate concept, conducting design, and identify problem, which is we can see in the picture. There is three process with input, process, and output. For input, there is a sensor that read or detect the distance level and water existences, and then process all of the data using the module of microcontroller such as Arduino, and send to the next application, and we can use the output data for share information or the buzzer in the place where the IoT is embedded. In this research, we use several module specification, which is separate into section hardware and software. You can see in the table the list of the hardware and the software, and then all of module design like in the pictures. So for every module there is a communicating with start with the sensor that detect the water, and then send by the ESP and Arduino, and then send using the GSM module to the server using the GAMU application, and we use Python and others programming to support the API interface that we can use the data for next implementation In this research, we have a result that you can see in the table, which is describe about the data that sending from the sensor to the Arduino using the ESP, and ESP to the server, which have delay for every data that sent to several modules in the application. After that, we can see by the interface of API, maybe for the forward to SMS or Telegram or the WhatsApp application. Every data that sending from the sensor, it will be processed in the application. Then we have access the data from the server using the API. We can see in the next slide. Next, we have the figure that describe information about the data output from IoT module, which is accessed by the prototype application, and we can manage the data by Gamo application. And in the right place of image or pictures, we have the indicator provide consists of 4 description about color that show its level about the water. We have the blue color show that the condition is normal, and the green color show that the standby level. The yellow color show the level that alert. The red color show that the level of water surface is in danger. So in the server, we can use this image or for monitoring of condition the water surface or the water level at the location which is embed the IoT system. Finally, we have a conclusion and further direction. First, the research design have successful and effective by IoT-based flood early warning monitoring system, which is integrating GSM module and several hardware that support for IoT system with high accuracy of 98.626%. The average delay in data processing from Arduino to the server about 12.036 and 1.058 for the data transmission to ESP from Arduino to ESP, and 9.101 second for data processing by ESP. The delay in sending from ESP to the server is between 3.308 to 15.774 second, influenced by the network condition. We use web service like REST API, provide information and distribute to the various platforms such as SMS, WhatsApp, and another platform. You can see at the picture that it is the prototype using WhatsApp application with Twilio support, and then we use that application to share the information about the water level to the communities or who it needs. After we have concluded about IoT based system for flood monitoring, we have an issue that important, which is the data security in the server using REST API is critical to protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access and misuse. This ensures that only authorized user can access, change, or delete data, and this issue will be studied in future research. So there is our presentation for the proceeding of ICISS 20 and 24. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.